How to purchase INFIN8 Money Card. After logging into your back office, select INFIN8 Money from the options on the left. To purchase your INFIN8 card, select Shop. Here, you will be able to purchase the card of your choice. Please note that the maximum number of units you can purchase per item is 10. Select the amount you wish to purchase. After selecting, you can select your payment method. You can select from options such as Bitcoin, ETH/ERC20, USDT, ERC20 and USDC ERC20. Then click Pay. Scan the QR code from your crypto wallet to proceed with the transaction. After completion, select Confirm. Congratulations! Your order has been placed successfully. After the successful purchase, the referral code will be available in your back office. To check your referral code, select Referral Codes under the INFIN8 Money menu. Select Click to continue and you will receive the one-time password to your registered email. Enter your one-time password and click Validate. All your purchased card details will be displayed here. To use the referral code, click on INFIN8 Money button below or visit www.infinitemoney.com.